So it's been a long time since I've gone to the movies here in the Philippines, so let's go. All right, so now time to wait for the movie. And so I got the ticket for the Directors Club for Spider-Man, and for the 590 pesos, which is around $10 for the ticket. They also give you a bag of chips and a water. So for 10 bucks for the premium seat, it's not too bad compared to the US, you know. And if you want a big bucket of popcorn and 2 drinks, that costs about $5, around there, $4 to $5. So, hey, let's go and see our seats. Let's go.
I'm right here. Excuse me.
And this is what the inside of the theater looks like, guys. So I would say, yeah, $10 isn't bad to go to the high-end theater. You know, you get the water, the chips, the nice big lounges, and nice big and spacious area to watch a good movie. So if you're in the Philippines, definitely check it out. The movie experience is top of the line here. So see you guys in the next one.